Hey guys, Bobby here today, along with my son Nathaniel. Say hey, Nathaniel.
Hey.
Guys, today Nathaniel is working on his engine, okay? We are finally getting to a point where we're getting ready to put his 2.5 liter Ford engine back together here real soon. And let me go ahead and just kind of bring the bag off of here. We got this back from the machine shop. We've got all the parts ready to go, and we are going to start getting this thing here ready to go here real soon. Nathaniel is cleaning his parts and laying them out. He's got a lot of parts here to start working on. And here's our crankshaft and our pistons and rods right down here. So that's what's going on here today in the MintHillBilly DIY world. And Nathaniel is excited. What do you think about all this, buddy?
Oh, yeah.
You're ready to make this happen, ain't you? You're ready to drive that truck, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.